Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, simply right click on the Windows icon and select settings. Once we are here, select gaming, and on the right side we need to select game mode and just turn on this. After that, just go back and select gaming again, then go to Xbox game bar and we need to turn off this option. After that, just go to system tab, then select display. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down and select graphics. Now again, just click on change default graphics settings and we need to turn on this option. Once done, we need to close this window and go to search bar, type here transparency effects, so click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to turn off this option and also turn off animation effects. Once done, just close this and move to the next command. That will be, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also open it from here. Just right click here and select run. Now type here temp and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to delete all these files. So select all these files, right click on it and select delete. Once done, close this window, again open run and type %temp% and click on OK. Again select all these files and simply delete them. Don't worry, these are just cache files, so skip them. Once done, just close this window, again open settings, go to system tab, then just find out storage and we need to enable this option. Just enable it. Once done, just click on cleanup recommendations and select recycle bin and other three options. Don't choose downloads, then simply click on cleanup, select continue. So this will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close this window, simply restart your system, and that's it guys. Your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and please do subscribe our channel.